Well, Mike, tell us a little bit about yourself and where you're from.
I'm from the Chicagoland area, kind of born and raised western suburbs, about 20, 30 miles west of O'Hare.
And where that's the area you reside in now?
Yeah, I currently live in Bartlett, Illinois, which is a suburb, like I said, just on the west side of Chicago.
Tell us your story on how this opportunity has been able to enhance your career.
Well, I started about 6.5 years ago. Worked for a food company, a grocery store, for about 17 years prior to this. And over that amount of time, had to work a lot of evening hours, some overnight shifts. After 15, 16 years with the business, had a couple small children, and just realized that I wasn't going to be able to spend that quality time with them, working late nights and stuff, as well as the weekends. So decided I needed to look elsewhere. Went online, found the maintenance engineering company, and just the opportunity that they had to offer with still being in the sales position, but figuring, like the quote said, everybody uses light bulbs. Absolutely. So I thought, let me give it a try, and found a good fit.
Sounds good. Well, let me ask you a question on the maintenance engineering products. We pride ourselves here at Maintenance Engineering as having the best product available. How important is that to you?
Well, you want to know you're selling the best, which is what we like to say we do here, and we certainly do. I think it's evident just from our customers' responses. When you call them up on the phone to thank them for the business, or you meet them out in the field a second or third time, they really appreciate that they're using the best. And they like the fact that they don't constantly have to change our products out as they did with their prior supplier.
Any interesting stories that you've run into as far as product is concerned?
Nothing off the top of my head. I mean, the nice thing about our product is we're constantly looking at new technology. And that's the one thing I like. When we come here to the home office and talk to the product guys and let them know, hey, we got customers that are asking about LEDs or new technology, we're on top of it. Sure. So.
What sales accomplishments or even some personal accomplishments have you been able to reach while you're with your career here at ME?
Well, last year I was #1 in the company in the field, so certainly proud of that. Also, thank you. #1 sales riser from the prior year as well. So when I first started, I think I was number 12 my first full year in the company. And I said to myself, there's hundreds of sales reps out there. And be number 12 in the company my first year, I must be doing something right.
Absolutely.
So I've consistently been top 20 all 5 or 6 years now that I've been with the company. So
good.
Real proud of that.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
What advice could you offer a young representative just starting today with maintenance engineering?
Don't give up. Stick with it. This is a great opportunity. The freedom to be your own boss, to work where you want to work. I like the opportunity that if I decide to move 10 years from now, 20 years from now, my business isn't going to change. In fact, it's going to grow because I'm going to have new areas to go call on. So just being able to do that, I think, is a valuable asset to anybody in the business.
So as time goes on, you decide that you want to move to Phoenix.
I want to retire, move to Phoenix, a little warmer climate.
Absolutely.
That's opportunity for me.
Well, sounds good. Thank you, Mike.
Thank you. All right.